Having the correct expectations of a beer is the best way to enjoy it. Story time. So there's one time that I was making myself a seltzer water, but before I put the bottle in the machine, I got interrupted by a phone call. So I put the bottle down, took the call. A few minutes later, grabbed the bottle, drank from it, thinking it was seltzer, instantly spit it out. Grossed by the flat water. Now, I like flat water or uncarbonated water, but I just wasn't expecting it. And the same can be said for beer. If you try a beer that tastes more citrusy and you think it's gonna taste like more malty or milky, you're gonna be like super disappointed. And you may think, oh, I don't like this type of beer. But in reality, you just drank it thinking it was gonna taste like something else. This is why learning about the different beers and what they taste like help you appreciate beer more. And I would love to challenge you on drinking a beer that you at first didn't like. Maybe doing a little bit of research on the beer before you drink it to have better expectations so you know what's coming. And you may find out that you actually do like this beer. So let me know in the comments if you try this out. I would love to hear your result, good, bad, if it tastes the same. I'm still on my beer journey. I'm still figuring things out, and I really think this helped me start to appreciate beer. I think it's gonna help you.